Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.4, Problem 9. This is Section 2.4, Problem 9. It says multiply the fractions. We have 5 over 6 times 7 over 8. So you want to multiply top times top, or numerator times numerator, and bottom times bottom, or denominator times denominator. So coming across the top, we have 5 times 7, which is 35. And then for the bottoms, we have 6 times 8, which is 48. So 35 over 48. Now you want to check and see if there are any numbers you can find that will divide into both the top and bottom evenly. And as you check a few numbers, you'll see that there are no numbers that divide into both evenly. So the simplest form for the answer is 35 over 48.